Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. Today I will be making a resin crystal, and the first step for making a resin crystal is that you have to choose a resin that is suitable for that project. And for my project I'm using here is Glass Cast 50, and I have searched a lot and ended up using this resin, and I really liked it. The results are amazing. I have made previously two videos with this resin. I will link them in the description. You can see how the resin turned out, and I was making crystals from it. So this is the third video with this resin, and I am totally satisfied. By the way, I bought this resin by myself. So I'm measuring here by weight in grams. This resin is on a very runny side. It's really low viscosity, so and it takes 2 days to cure. It's really a slow curing resin. So the reason is that you get the bubble, all the bubbles are released during the curing process because it's 2 days. So you really get good results. So I'm carefully measuring my resin, and after that I will be mixing it for around 5 minutes, and you need to stir it really slowly to avoid any air bubbles into the resin. These are few steps you need to take care of. Rest your project will turn out amazing if you do follow these rules. So after you have measured out your resin, you need to mix it, and then what I did here is I added a hint of blue transparent pigment to my resin, and since you can see that the resin is a little slightly on the blue side, so that's the reason. And I'm pouring it into my crystal mold. I made this mold myself, and again I will link my video how I made it. So after that I am adding this silicone insert, and for this time I'm not adding it in a flat form. I will be making a roll and just put inside. So this is after 2 days, and you can see what I was saying, that I just molded it into the crystal. And I am now really carefully removing the silicone to avoid any damages. We have removed our silicone insert, and now I am removing the crystal from the mold. And here is the look. As you can see, I haven't used any pressure pot here. This is without any pressure pot, and I got really amazing effect, crystal clear, and that holographic silicone made it more beautiful. So this was a little video on how I made my crystal and which resin I use. So I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me in comments, and also please do like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like my video, and take care. Bye bye.